Today, I'll show you how to play PSP games on your Android device using PPSSPP Emulator. I will also be showing you guys how to properly extract game files with Z Archiver as well in this video. So do make sure to stick to the end. Now, simply start by opening your Google Play Store, search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you're going to see two versions. You're going to see this free version, and you're also going to see the golden version. So you can simply download any one of your choice. Once you're done with that, search for Z Archiver. Very important. So download this app. It's super important. Now, once you are done with that, open your PPSSPP emulator for the very first time. So once you do this, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Click on OK. It's going to take you to your directory. Now you just have to choose any folder you want to utilize. So right now I'm going to be using the document section. So I'll click on documents, I'll click on use this folder, I'll click on allow. Then I'll click OK. Now as you can see, there's no game in here to play. This is where Z Archiver comes in. So let's go open our Z Archiver app. So once you open your Z Archiver app, locate your game files. In this case, it's going to be a PSP game files. So if I come into this section right now, you can see I'm having some game files in here, but they are actually zip files. So we have to extract these files. So let me start with the first one at the top. So you have to click on it just once. You're going to see three extract options. You're going to see extract here, extract to, and this third option, which is extract to three dot icon. So click on that. Go to your PSP folder. Mine is in document section, documents PSP. You see the game section. Click on it and then paste it in there. So right now you can see it's actually extracting that in here. So let me quickly go and do it for the second game that I had in there. So the same process for the second one. Click on it. Click the third option of extract. Go to my PSP folder, the game section. I paste it in there. So let's wait for it to finish with the extraction process. So right now it is done with the extraction process. So simply reopen your PPSSPP emulator. You can see there's still no game here because it does not know where we actually kept this game file. So we have to show it. To do that, click the browse icon at the top. Then show it where you are keeping your game files. Mine is in documents, PSP, game. This is where I'm keeping them. So I'll click on use this folder, allow. So right now you can see that the games are here and you are ready to play. So it's very simple and easy to actually do. Now you're going to need some settings to give you the best performance and FPS on any device. I already have a dedicated video for that and I'm going to recommend it towards the end of this video. So just stick to the end so you have access to the best settings to utilize on your device. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.